Hey, what is up guys? My name is Oleg, this is Bond. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel and like the content, hey, why not subscribe? In this video, we're gonna unbox two different watches that I received from GearBest. If you don't know what GearBest is, it's basically a large warehousing website that sells all kinds of different things: computers, cell phones, clothing, and of course, watches. So they sent me two watches in for review. Now there is a twist, because these two watches I didn't choose. You guys were the ones who chose them. A few weeks ago, I posted it on my Instagram. I posted a little poll, and you guys were the ones who chose which watches I'm gonna review next, which watches I'm gonna get in for the review. So these are the winners of the poll, and of course follow me on Instagram if you wanna participate in more of these in the future. With all this out of the way, let's get started with the unboxing.
All right, friends, we're back with another unboxing. This one just arrived actually yesterday. I had to have the discipline to have it on my shelf for a day without opening it because I didn't want to open it by myself. I wanted to share this experience with you guys. So in this box we have two different watches. I thought I'd do the unboxing for both watches in the same video instead of stretching it out to two videos. This way I can get the reviews to you sooner. Let's open the boxes. So this one is obviously the Guanqin. Let's maybe start with this watch. I've seen a lot of good positive feedback about this specific watch online from my followers and from the people I follow on Instagram, as well as other YouTube reviewers, I guess, people that do watch reviews on YouTube, and everyone is very impressed with this watch. I am excited about it. I'm hoping that it's everything that I ever wanted in my life. So let's open the box and see this watch. Okay, standard microfiber cloth, a little instructions manual, warranty card. Okay, here's the watch. It looks really good. All right, it has that standard Guanqin buckle, that kind of butterfly buckle. That's all right. I'm not a big fan of them. Same leather strap as all the other watches. Oh, display case back. That's nice. Is this the one with the NH35? Actually, NH36. Day date. Really cool. So it should have hand winding. Not a screw down crown. Let's zoom in for a bit of a closer look. I like the way it looks. It has a really nice dial. Certainly looks more expensive than the $55, $60 that this watch costs. Okay, I'm excited about this watch. Of course, I'll do a full review in a few weeks' time. Okay, I like the Roman numerals at the 12 o'clock. This is an impressive looking watch. All right, I'll do the full review in a few weeks' time and give you all the positives, all the negatives. You know how it goes. Okay, so that's the first watch here. Let's unbox the second watch. Now this watch here, I found randomly on GearBest. There were no reviews of this watch available anywhere. So maybe I'll be the first one to review it. It looked very interesting, it caught my eye. I actually posted a poll. I think I mentioned that in the introduction of this video. I posted a poll and you guys voted that you really want to see the review of this watch. So let's see. Very interesting. It's automatic, but it's completely see-through. It just has a bit of a line and you can really see the inner works of that mechanism. Wow, very interesting design to this watch. Look at that rotor. They even cut out big pieces out of it. Kind of looks like an anchor, so you can see through the watch completely. Very interesting. You can see the balance wheel ticking. Looks like a very cool and unique watch. I think this one is $45, which is pretty crazy. I mean, it's an automatic watch for $45. That's impressive in itself, as is. But it also is completely see-through. I'm not a big fan of skeletonized watches. I'm not a big fan of see-through watches. But you gotta admit, this is pretty cool. I mean, I haven't seen a watch like this, where it's just a little line, and that's it. Everything else is completely see-through. I bet telling the time with a watch like this. Would be a bit of a hassle though. I just noticed that there is no seconds hand. Okay, interesting choice, I guess. Keeping it even simpler without cluttering up the dial too much. Okay, I'm excited to do a review for this watch as well. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of the two watches from GearBest. The Guanqin looks really cool, and I can't wait to review it. I can't wait to test it out. I've been reviewing a lot of diver watches on the channel lately, so it's nice to deviate from that a little bit and look at a dress watch. Also, I'm excited about the skeleton watch. I'm gonna review that one on the Halloween week because it's a spooky skeleton watch. So stay tuned for those videos. Of course, subscribe if you don't want to miss them. I appreciate you watching this video until the end. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about these watches. Do you have any of these in your collection? I'm guessing that quite a few of you would have the Guanqin in your collection because I've seen them pop up from time to time on Instagram. I've also seen a lot of people suggest them in the comment section. By the way, today on my wrist, I'm wearing a Phoebus. That's the Rolex Submariner homage. I think the reference for this one is PY007C. Really like this watch, really enjoy wearing it. It's a good solid timepiece for 300 bucks. Also, in the description of this video there is a secret link. Check it out. I think you'll like this one. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, too bad, I guess. I did my best. I'll see you guys next time.